In this video, I'll explain how to migrate approval rules from one environment to another. First, there are a few requirements. The source and target environments must be at the same patch level and release version. The BPM admin role is required to access Oracle SOA Composer. There are 5 steps to migrating approval rules to another environment. Log into SOA Composer export, examine downloaded jar file, modify exported jar file, and import to SOA Composer. First, I'll log into my source environment, and in this example, the URL starts with etsk-test. I also have the approval rule open called neo rule, which I'll migrate over to another environment. My target environment starts with etsk, which does not have the neo rule in the promotions rule set. To export approval rules, I need to go to the SOA Composer. On the Approval Rules page, I'll copy the root URL from the Browser tab. I'll then open a new Browser tab and paste in the URL adding SOA/Composer to the end of it, which then takes me to the SOA Composer page of my source environment. On the right side, I'll choose to export my SOA changes. A dialog box appears allowing me to click Export to create an archive containing all SOA changes on this system. After a few moments, the export completes. Then I can download the archive to my local machine. Once downloaded, I'll use the proper application to open it. I'll navigate to the folder where it is downloaded. I'll right-click on the file and choose Open with WinRAR. The application opens and shows me the meta-m folder and other jar files that are different HCM tasks that we've configured for approval rules. If I wanted to migrate all these tasks, I could. However, for this example, I only want to migrate the promotions rule, so I'll delete all the rest. I'll open the meta-m folder and open the txt file. A notepad window appears showing all the jar files that we saw in the previous folder. I'll keep the HCM employment promotions composite jar file and delete the others. I'll close the notepad window. When prompted, I'll click Save. The system asks if I want to update the file in the archive, and I'll click Yes. I'll navigate back to the previous folder to ensure that it only contains the jar file that I want migrated. Then I'll close the WinRAR window. In the target environment, I'll copy the root URL. I'll open a new browser tab and paste it in, adding SOA/Composer to the end of it, and press Enter. This time in the SOA Composer, I'll choose Import SOA Changes. I'll locate the archive from my local machine containing the exported changes and select it. I'll click Import to upload and apply the changes. And once the import has completed, I'll close the window. In the target environment in the Approval Rules section, on the Transaction Manager Rules page, I'll click the icon in the Configure Rules column, and I see that the neo rule has successfully migrated to the target environment. For more information on this topic, you can view the courses on Oracle University or reference the available guides on Oracle Help Center. Thanks for watching.